Hello and welcome to this guided meditation and pranayama practice. If you're not familiar with pranayama, it is the yogic science of using your breath to help regulate your body in different ways. Different forms of pranayama are really helpful in regulating your sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. So let's be honest, we can meditate all the time and have a tranquil mind most of the time, and then there's that moment when we flip our lids in traffic or we get irritated with someone because of something that they've said. We're human. So these are some great practices that you can incorporate into your daily life to bring you back to center, back to regulated and in the zone. So let's get started. Find a comfortable seated position in a place that you will not be disturbed, and put away your phone and other distractions so that you can completely focus on what you're doing and be in the moment. It's best to be seated for this one, but if you're feeling really depleted, lying down is great too. If you're seated, allow your back to be nice and long and your shoulders relaxed, your hands resting on your knees or in your lap, whatever feels best. And once you're settled, close your eyes gently and take a moment to feel your body. Notice everything that's touching your body, whether it's a pillow or a cushion, the floor, a mat, your bed, whatever's touching you, just feel all those points of contact. Do a little body scan. And then try to relax and get as comfortable as possible. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose. Allow your belly to completely expand. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of tension. Let go of stress. Let go of worry. Anything you can let go of that you don't need. Repeat this a couple more times until you feel a little bit more centered with each breath. Take note of how your mind feels, the state and quality of that space behind your eyes. Are thoughts running, or are you feeling pretty calm? Just notice without judgment. Let's start with some deep belly breaths. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Inhale deeply through your nose. Feel your belly expand. Allow your chest to remain relatively still. Exhale slowly through your nose and feel your belly fall, drawing in to the diaphragm at the bottom of the exhale. Now, Viloma Pranayama allows you to increase your lung capacity and has the benefit of calming your sympathetic nervous system, your fight or flight response, and getting you back to regulated. Let's begin. We're going to inhale for a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to hold for just a moment at the top. And then we're going to exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push all the breath out. Inhale again, nice and smooth. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push the breath out. Now inhale again for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take in another sip of air. Get as full as you can. Hold just a moment. And now exhale for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue this pattern. And you can increase the count of your inhale or exhale if you'd like. But here we're trying to lengthen the exhales just a bit more than the inhales, because this has that relaxing effect, that calming effect on your nervous system. Inhaling completely on each inhale, pausing at the top, and then lengthening out the exhales as much as possible. As you're breathing, travel with your breath. Allow your mind to focus on the quality, the feeling, the smoothness or the roughness, whatever you notice as the breath goes in and out of the body. Again, without judgment and too much efforting, just noticing. Take one more breath here, fully inhaling, counting your breath, holding, and exhale, nice, gentle, slow counting, lengthening your exhale. And then letting go of any effort. Just noticing any difference between how you felt at the beginning and how you feel now. The benefits of Viloma Pranayama allows you more breath control and movement of air, which has the added benefit to increase your lung capacity. It can help you with asthma, which it did for me. It can help you cool down, can help relieve anxiety, and just bring calm to the body and to your nervous system. All right, our next type of breathing will be Nadi Shodhana, or alternate nostril breathing. So we will begin this one with our right hand. Fold in the first and second finger on your right hand, and using your thumb, you're going to gently place it over your right nostril and have your ring finger available for your left nostril. So we'll go back and forth between the right nostril with the thumb and the left nostril with the ring finger. So starting plugging the right nostril, we'll inhale through the left side. We'll pause at the top and then gently plugging the left nostril as you exhale through the right. Come all the way down to the bottom of the exhale. Inhale to the right. Switch and exhale through the left. Inhaling left. Switching. And exhale right. It's one complete cycle. Inhaling right. Exhaling left. Inhaling left. And exhaling right. Good, one more time. Inhaling right. Exhaling left nostril, exhaling completely. Inhale left, and exhale right. Complete another round if you'd like, or allow the hand to come down to your lap. Breathing normally. Noticing any shift in your heart beating, the feeling of your thoughts, the smoothness of the breath. Just take notice of any change. And the last pranayama we will do is the Brahmari breath, the bee breath, which makes a nice humming sound. Nice vibration. So we will leave the hands where they are. Keeping the eyes closed, we inhale completely. And as you exhale with the lips closed, you'll hum. And then again, inhaling completely. And exhale, hum. Continue breathing in this way. Place your index fingers gently on your ears, just to block out the sound. Do a few more rounds here as you inhale completely, smoothly, fully, and exhale, humming, vibrating, bee breath. One more full round of this wonderful bumblebee breathing. There are so many amazing benefits to pranayama. The science of yoga has been around since ancient times, and there are many living masters, both in India and other countries. Many lineages, but the effects have been scientifically proven, and you can be your own scientific experiment and see what works for you. See which breath appeals to you the most or feels the most natural. But practicing these types of pranayama exercises, even when you feel stressed, can help bring those levels down and help you right in the moment to get to a calmer space, or even your calmest space with more practice. Returning to normal breath, taking your fingers out of your ears. As we come to the end of our practice, again, take stock of everything in your mind and body. Notice the calmness and the steadiness of your breath, the relaxation of your muscles. And take a moment to bow towards yourself. Honor yourself for taking time out to learn something or to practice something that helps you and your well-being. This is a little mini form of self-care, and you can appreciate yourself for it. Take a deep breath in here in this space and exhale slowly. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes and bring your awareness back to your environment. And as you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me in this pranayama session. My name is Jenny. It's been my honor to guide you. I'd like to thank the yoga masters from all lineages for this amazing ancient science for vibrant health. If you're new here, please consider subscribing for more mindfulness content every Wednesday, all to encourage us to find the beauty in our everyday lives and offer little bits of wisdom to make the hard days bearable. Please share this video with someone you know who could benefit, and press that like button to help my channel. Thank you for the gift of your time and attention. Blessings, love, and peace.